I am K9OL, and I have the one and only impact-rated ID-50. This is the only one in the world, folks. You cannot buy it from Icom. You're not going to buy it from me because it's staying forever in my shack. This radio went for an unintended skydive from 14,000 feet.
Well, that is certainly an expensive jump. I just lost my radio, my phone, my Meshtastic node, and an altimeter. Yeah, that was expensive. Well, the Find My app has my phone a mile that way in someone's yard, so I'm gonna head over there and see if I'm able to recover the whole thing. Well, my bag is right there. I can still see the radio antenna on it. The folks are not home, so I'm gonna ask the neighbors if they know them and can call and see if we can get permission to put a ladder up and get the bag down. Everything survived.
The only damage that I found on the radio is on the antenna itself. The shingles from the roof it landed on scratched up the antenna, and we have a tiny little dent on the bottom of the case, just barely visible as a damage on the radio, and that's saying something. This radio stands up to the most ridiculous test. I had it tested by the league's lab, still perfectly within the ranges of where it needs to be. I can't ask for a better radio.